In an exclusive interview with Koimoi, composer Amal Malik reveals how superstar Salman Khan actually recorded the title track of his home production Hero. Check out the video to know what he had to say.
That is the Hero title song, which is called Main Hu Hero Tera, is sung by Salman sir, and it's a very good feeling because I made this song incidentally during the time of Jai Ho, not
Okay.
even before, not even when Hero was starting. It was at that time when Salman sir got the rights of the title from Subhash Ghai's company, कि जो हीरो पंती बन रही थी टाइगर श्रॉफ की, तो उसमें they couldn't use the word hero because he had given that right to Salman Khan.
Yeah.
And they gave that melody जो हीरो की थीम थी ता रा 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 to हीरो पंती. So we were left without that tune. So we were supposed to make a new theme of Hero, which I have done in another song of Hero, that is called O Khuda. So Hero word पे lot of people expect कि एक डांस ट्रैक आएगा या कुछ फाड़ू एक सलमान खान वाला आइटम नंबर आएगा, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट इज़ अ हार्ट टचिंग सोलफुल सॉन्ग विच आई मेड. और मैंने ऐसे ही एक दिन उनको सुना है कि एक सॉन्ग है हीरो के टाइटल के ऊपर, एंड ही ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टेड दैट ओनली होगा कुछ हीरो हूँ मैं, ये हूँ मैं, वो ऐसा कुछ होगा, बट वो नहीं था. बट ही वॉज सो हैप्पी हियरिंग कि इस गाने का अप्रोच बिल्कुल अलग था. रोमांटिक वे में आई हैव गॉट द टाइटल द वर्ड हीरो. सो ही रियली लव्ड इट एंड ही सेड ये रखो मेरे लिए बिकॉज आई विल यूज़ दिस इन सम वे इन द फिल्म. ये बहुत अच्छा गाना है एंड आई विल यूज़ इट व्हेन आई फील कि मैं जब सुनूंगा, जब फिल्म पे आएंगे. तो 2 साल बाद जब फिल्म शुरू हुई और बनने लगी, दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज कॉल्ड अपॉन अगेन कि वो गाना नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ इट फिट्स. बट द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग आई रिकॉर्डेड फॉर हीरो वाज ओ खुदा, नॉट मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, क्योंकि वो एक स्क्रैच रेडी था. तो व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी कि मेरे को ये गाना सुनाओ वापस, तो वन डे वी वर एट हिज फार्म एंड आई sang मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा टू हिम एंड ही ट्राइड सिंगिंग इट एंड उनकी आवाज़ में अच्छा लग रहा था. तो ही सेड चल रफ रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो आई रिकॉर्डेड रफ एंड वी केप्ट. Then it was during this whole trial of his and everything where even though we didn't know whether he would get a sentence of 5 years or will he get bail after that or will he go to jail, कुछ पता नहीं था. जब आ भी गया था उसका अनाउंसमेंट कि हाँ मैं और अरमान we figured कि he has got his sentence by the high court of 5 years. So we were very tensed कि अभी lots of things are involved because without him Hero is also not going to be Hero.
Yeah.
Because he's the producer. If he is not there, not many people connect to a film without Salman Khan's presence. And उनकी पहली film है as a producer. So without him it would be very tough for us to take the film forward. And he didn't care. He just came and recorded the song just after his sentence.
Oh.
Like next day was the sentence and like before the sentence got cut, like came out, just जब वो आया था टाइम की अगले दिन उनकी ये है hearing है final, he came recorded it. After the sentence also he managed to do some changes, worked on it. He said ये गाना ख़त्म कर लेते, my responsibility will be done towards the film. So that is a great man there who can think for the film before thinking about himself. नहीं तो इस टाइम में तो इतने प्रेशर में कि मैं जेल जा रहा हूँ, अगर मेरे पे ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन होती I would not be able to make a song. He तो came recorded, मैं changes करा रहा था, नहीं ऐसे नहीं ऐसे गाओ ऐसे. तो उसमें he still managed and he sang the song in like 2 hours. And this would be, as a lot of people have said many things about Salman Khan's voice being auto-tuned and blah blah blah, many things. This will be his song which has no auto-tune. It is not been modified. He has sung straight from the heart and I have kept it that way. So it is it's a gift that he has given to me. I requested him कि आप ही गा दो and he said ठीक है मैं तो गा दूंगा, मैं क्या नहीं कर सकता, मैं गा देता हूँ. तो he sang it and उसके बाद because that in a way helps bringing his audience to our film. क्योंकि जितने भी सलमान खान के fans हैं, they will all hear the song and I'm sure they will love it because they have never heard him sing such a song in his career ever. It's a very different song. उन्होंने सब मस्ती वाले गाने गाए, ये फर्स्ट आई थिंक प्रॉपर इमोशनल सॉन्ग होगा जो वो गाएंगे.